Hey everyone, so here is new trending app which is called Star Idols 3D Avatar Creator. So let's just try to install it on iPhone, iOS. Then yeah, you just need to find it in an app store and then confirm with the Touch ID or password. Yeah, so it's quite big app. It's like 229 megabytes, so you need to have that free storage on your device. And then yeah, you just create your own 3D avatar. And yeah, then you can just create your kind of virtual life. And the trend of virtual life is becoming more and more in trend. So there are apps like Zipato or It's Me where you just basically create like the whole um, virtual universe and you can just interact there. And but again, you can still meet real people in chat, but they are just hidden behind these 3D avatars. So maybe you are a bit insecure about like putting your real photos out there in social media and then just talking with strangers. So uh, then what you can do is just create 3D avatar. So this is the app, and then you need to create an account with Facebook, Apple, Google, and stuff like that. You can also start as a guest. So let's just dive in. And yeah, so okay, I will create another video about an account here. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Visit my website, mrhack.io, and sign up for a newsletter.